Let us solve this question. It was pretty simple. It was asked in CAT 2024 in slot 2. It was the last problem, by the way. When Rajesh age was same as that of present age of Garima, the ratio of their ages was 3:2. So as of now, I'm assuming that Garima is A years old. Are you getting? Garima is A years old, and X years back, Rajesh was A years. I hope I'm making some sense. So what is that I'm trying to say out here? As of now, Garima is A years old, and X years back, Rajesh was A years old. So problem says that when Rajesh age was same as that of present age of Garima. So what would have been Garima's age A years back? It would have been nothing but A minus X years, isn't it? A minus X years. And then the ratio was given to you as 3:2. So my first equation is here. Age of Rajesh upon age of Garima, and that is given to me as 3:2. So you will be able to find out a relation between A and X. So that is going to be what? 2A is equal to 3A negative 3X. So 3X is equal to A. That is the very first relation that we have got. Now the present age of Garima is A years. So what is the present age of Rajesh? So Rajesh, as of now, A years later, Rajesh will be A plus X years. Make sense? Now, again the problem says that when age of Garima becomes the same as the present age of, what is the present age of Rajesh? It is A plus X. And X years later, age of Garima will be what? A plus X. And when Garima's age will be A plus X, age of Rajesh will be how much? A plus X, because we are talking about X years later, so that is going to be nothing but A plus 2X. So when the problem is okay when Garima's age becomes the same as that of present age of Rajesh, then they are asking you what is the ratio. So this is what? Age of Rajesh upon age of Garima. What is that we figured out over here? The value of A is equal to 3x. So if you look at denominator, this is 3x plus x, and in the numerator this is 3x plus 2x. So what is the value that we are having? 5x upon 4x. What is the ratio? That is pretty simple. We have found it out. It is nothing but 5:4. What is the right option out here? Option number D. So your approach to problems should always be very simple when you're attempting CAT problems, and that is how you will be able to get more than 99 percentile and crack CAT.